Welcome to this video, which shows you how to plan for a FastField form. Planning is crucial to ensure your form is effective and meets your needs. Let's dive into the key steps and why they matter. Planning your FastField form helps you define clear objectives, ensure you collect the right data, streamline the user experience, and avoid costly mistakes and revisions. The first step is to identify your objectives. What is the purpose of your form? What specific information do you need to collect? Next, understand your audience. Who will be using the form? What are their needs and preferences? Design the form layout by organizing questions logically, using clear and concise language, and including instructions where necessary. Choose the right question types. Use multiple choice for quick responses, open-ended questions for detailed feedback, and conditional logic to streamline the form. Test the form with a small group, gather feedback, and make improvements. Ensure the form is user-friendly and meets your objectives. By following these steps, you'll create a FastField form that is well-planned, effective, and user-friendly. Remember, planning is the key to success.